These measuring cups are perfect. They all stay together. It's gonna be great for measuring. I have to cook something, so I just need to measure some flour out, so I'm ready to go. So you can use the spatula for just mixing, or you can actually use it to help flip. So it's really, really nice. These tongs are really great. They close up really nicely, so they're great for mixing and for dishing out. Then this is gonna help me scrape all the egg out, so I make sure I get all the egg inside my pan. These spatulas are nice. They're nice and big. They don't burn in the pan, and they're not gonna scratch my pan. They're gonna be perfect for lifting and cooking in a pan. So these are really nice. They're food grade silicone. You can see they're nice and strong. They're gonna be dishwasher safe, or you can hand wash them. Nice handles, nice little hooks to hook them up. And they're gonna be really perfect. They're not gonna scratch any of your surfaces as you cook. It has so many pieces here. You can use them for every need in your kitchen. This kitchen utensil set is perfect for all your kitchen needs. It comes with so many different items. So it's gonna work for everything you need in your kitchen. Even comes with the measuring cups, measuring spoons, great holder to hold everything in. So it's gonna be great if you love to cook or need some great things for your kitchen.